Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to download and install MetaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your browser and go to Google and type MetaTrader. So I will choose MetaTrader 5. Choose the first one, click on it. Now for me, I have Windows. If you have Mac, choose Mac here, okay? And if you have Linux, choose Linux. So for me, I have Windows, so I will click on download MetaTrader 5 for Windows. Now choose the place where you want to save it. So I will keep it on desktop. Click on save. And this is my MetaTrader. Now click on it. Click on yes. Click on next. Now wait for a few moments. And now click on finish. And now click on cancel. And as you can see, this is MetaTrader. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.